friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Ghumakkad Chef Dean. Today I'm going to do some very exciting and adventurous thing that is called fishing. And my friend Ariel is with me. He told me about how to handle the fishing rod. I am first time using this one fishing rod. So he told me about how to use it. So today will be a fun. Today it will be a very adventurous day.
Hopefully
Thank
catch
you.
and cook.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Okay. Second catch, sorry. See. Yeah, man. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is snapper and this one is grunt. We have totally 5 fish today. Yeah, man.
You with the goggle eye.
Yeah, man.
So if you don't know how to approach them,
Yeah.
then we approach you aggressively. So what you have to do, you have to make sure, like these two places, you have to make sure you cover the gill.
Cover the gill.
Yeah, lock it, yarn on it, then you pull out the hook. Else it will hurt you. This is the
Okay.
way how you do it.
And the fish name is
goggle eye.
गगलाई। भाइयों आपका भाई हो गया प्रो। देखो फिशिंग रॉड से पकड़ी है मैंने ये फिश, फिशिंग रॉड से। या मान, दिस इज जमाइका मान। या आई लविंग इट। मजा आ गया भाइयों, मजा आ गया, मजा आ गया भाई, मजा। आज का दिन तर गया। मैं 2 घंटे से यही कर रहा हूँ। ये देखिए फिश, इसे ग्रंट कहते हैं, ग्रंट। ठीक है, एकदम ताजी। ये देखिए, आया ना मजा भाई? कैसा लगा ये वीडियो, जरूर बताना। और 500 सब्सक्राइबर कर दो प्लीज भाई, 500 सब्सक्राइबर कर दो प्लीज। ब्रदर सी, दिस इज स्नैपर। दिस इज द बिगेस्ट वन आई हैव कैच्ड, बिगेस्ट वन, biggest and beautiful. You can see the stripes on the back of this fish. This is yellow, black and white. That is snapper. Yeah, man. I am enjoying it. I am loving it. भाइयों, कैसा लगा आपको वीडियो? कैसा लग रहा है? मज़ा आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? ज़रूर कमेंट करके बताइएगा मेरा वीडियो कैसा लगा। Okay. See, today was a great day. Today was my off. So I wake up late in the evening around 12 or 1 o'clock. I don't remember. And yesterday only I decided to do something adventurous. So I was thinking of doing fishing. Okay. So it was a great day. It was a fun today, man. 2-3 hours. How it is gone, I didn't know. Even I cannot made it how it went. Okay. So here is the another catch. I have never catch fish in my life. Okay, I never went for fishing. Only when I was a kid, I went with my father, and I didn't catch nothing. Only I hurt my father by stabbing this hook into his finger. So great day. Around 12-13 fishes I have catched, and this one I don't know. There is a spot on his body. Maybe tilapia or something like that. Okay, small fish, you can see. But it was a great day, brother. Great day. So you are enjoying my video? I think so. You will enjoy this video, fishing in Jamaica. Okay, brother.